Hey, oh, now it's not. Hey guys, mind my continue games. It's just like because I've joined friends, they're like they play interesting games. Anyways, we're gonna play mm2 with my Pokey.
It's me.
Hi. Have you started? Yeah. She's gonna film as well. Like, have you started filming?
No, because I'm doing one.
Oh, okay. I thought you were, but I guess not. Anyways.
Oh yeah, she might rage quit a lot. Last night when we were playing Murder Mystery 2, she rage quit every single time she died.
Yeah.
So if she leaves, just tell me. Waiting for your turn. Oh. Oh my god.
Back shots.
Why do I have glitter all over my hand?
Cause the slime has glitter.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, back shot. Back. You're back. Back. Back shot. I'm kind of bad at back shots on the phone. I used to play MM2 a lot in the past, so I have some stuff. Some. Oh yeah, I have elite on this.
Can't backshot me now.
Why not?
Look like I'm in the corner.
I can front shot ya.
Front shot isn't the same as back shot. Oh my god.
I can still front shot ya.
Girlfriend.
Anyways, it's so much easier to get through and out of there with mobile. Oh yeah, we're eating our dinner right now. Subs pizza. Not Subway. But
I know. I didn't say Subway.
I don't know, but still. Sub could be like short for Subway.
Can you try me something? Do you have like any guns?
Yeah.
How many guns do you have?
Let's check. Default gun, carrot, starfish, stickers, and wavy. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 guns.
Can I have one?
Girl, I already gave you that set.
Oh.
You gotta try earn it.
How do I earn it? Oh
Go-
my god,
go
not this
earn-
guy again.
You're gonna earn
This
some
is
money.
the best way to get Get a corrupt. Next on your friends with these crazy items. Visit murder.store. I'm no murderer.
Mind you, I've been like kind of sick for the past few days. And now it's just kind of cold.
Found a gun.
Oh, so has the sheriff died?
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe the person has ninja. That's where
What the hell?
the killing started. Where did you die? Where did you die? I need to pick up the gun.
I don't have the gun.
Oh, you don't have the gun.
No. I was trying to pick it up.
It's somebody who is elite because it's the elite. Goodbye.
Yup, and she rage quit.
Great, now it's taking a while. Oh, yeah. It's no longer loading.
Okay, mm2 items here. Visit murdery.store. I wish I knew about the store earlier. Visit murdery.store.
Anyways, yeah. We're back.
I swear it's the do.
Can't remember which one it is, honestly. They were jumbled in my head, and then I can't remember what's what.
Research facility.
Hospital.
I need a hospital because this stupid weirdo keeps backshotting me, and my legs hurt.
Back shot. She a runner, she a track star. I'm not in the game yet. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Huh?
Sheriff.
You sure about that?
Yeah. You're sheriff.
Oh.
Someone with a pink, heart, knife is murderer.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. Goodbye. Yeah, no.
What, did you die?
I'm sheriff too.
Literally the one time I'm sheriff, dies straight away.
Really?
Yeah. I've only won with sheriff one time.
I probably won a lot. I'm pretty sure there's some way you can check your status. I think. Where is it?
That's not. That isn't.
Leaderboard. Oh, wrong person.
See?
No, because on laptop there is. Murder has won twice in a row.
Alright. I want to go to the mansion.
Yummy pizza. Okay, don't look at my screen because that means you looked at my screen because you knew I was sheriff. Don't look at my screen. Because you could be murder and I could be sheriff. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, don't let me everywhere.
I don't trust anyone.
Me neither. I don't trust you, even though I know you're innocent.
Hey, did you look at my screen? Tell mommy.
Mommy! Anyway, somebody died dead. Who got died dead?
Died it.
Yeah. Somebody got died dead.
Somebody died.
Yes. Died dead. Somebody died.
Somebody got killed.
Yeah. They died. They died dead. They died dead. I'm just collecting coins right now.
Who's the killer?
I don't know. But it's not me. Okay. No.
Who's the killer?
This gothic dude.
The dude with the original knife.
I didn't see. Just stay away from some gothic dude.
Okay.
Oh. I see your body.
Yeah. When we rewatch the footage, we can see who it was.
Yeah.
Every time I die. I'm almost at level 55. Almost.
I'm almost at level 18. I mean 19. I am at level 18. If someone comes to me, I'm gonna. If someone like really sussy comes to me, I'm just gonna juke. Like I'm just gonna do this.
Hi! You look so dumb. You look so dumb. Why are you doing that? Anyways, back shot. Head. Get up.
Stop. I'm not.
I'm not. I don't know. Maybe they're like AFK or something. Never mind, they're not AFK. I heard that. Somebody died. Where did the sheriff go? Don't tell me the sheriff died or something.
Yeah, they died.
How do you know that?
Because I had like a gunshot, and then a gas noise, and then the gunshot gone away, and then no shooting no more.
I'm kind of nervous. Oh, I see the murderer.
I must practice my juke.
Ah! Oh my god, she a runner, she a track star. Okay, I got the gun. I got the gun. Oh my god. There's another random goth dude.
Does he have brown hair this time?
Ah! I'm gonna move. You're gonna die. I'm coming outside.
Is it the me? Is it the soul?
Got it right where I come out, and I didn't do it on time. Bro, it's literally right on him. It's right on him. It's right on him. What the hell?
He might be an exploiter.
Oh yay! Finally, Jesus. Seriously, bro, I saved your life, dummy. Be quiet. Bruh. I don't care. Me. It was literally right on him, though.
You're kind of lagging.
No, you're lagging. Yeah, you're lagging. No, it's not me. Maybe I'm lagging. Most other people lagging. Okay. How bad it is. Oh, I got it.
Use my round.
I don't know. But that's the sheriff. I'm gonna say near him because if Bro dies, then I'm gonna pick up his gun.
Oh!
Yeah, no. Goodbye. I died and I left. I died and I left.
This is a pretty good hiding spot. How does he know where I am? Oh my god. He's cheating. He knew where I am. I was like there. It wasn't even...
No, I literally didn't. But a lot of people know that. Just saying, you know. Oh, you got Dr. Pepper? Hold up, I'm coming. It's fine, I'll wait here. I'll hold it. Oh, and it's Dr. Pepper Cherry Crush. I don't know if y'all have this, because, like, we're in the UK. Yeah, we're British. What? Did, like, oh, it exploded. Yeah.
I'm sheriff. What role are you?
Innocent.
Stay with me.
How can I trust you? Oh, okay. Yeah.
And I don't have fake guns.
Yeah,
'Cause I
no, you don't.
have gens.
Yeah. Whee! Anyone could be murderer. All I know is that it's not you.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Well, now you're not letting
Also,
me.
don't get in my way while I'm trying to shoot.
I'm not going to. Why would I get in your way when you're trying to shoot? Why are you trying to shoot me?
I'm trying to shoot you.
Why did you get the gun out?
Oh, I think I know who's Mr. Bacon.
Yeah. It's kind of better if you try to go down. And anyways, they're coming up. Ah! Yeah, I'm going down. I'm hiding here. floor. I'm gonna quickly open my book paper.
Where are you? In the cinema?
I'm on the first floor.
Did you just die?
Where the freak was she?
Yeah, where is she?
I don't know, where was she? And also, I didn't rage quit, but I want to rage quit right now. Too late now for me, anyways. Can I read the chat? And we got a non-English server. No idea what's saying.
I shot her!
Wait, I thought you were sheriff. You're the hero.
Yeah.
So did you pick up the gun?
No. I got the role as sheriff.
No, you didn't. But here it says you were the hero. The hero is the person who picked up the gun because the sheriff died.
No, it's not.
Here it is.
No, it's
Because it
not.
would say sheriff.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Stop.
Yes, it is.
I was the role as sheriff, so stop.
But trust me, you were.
No, yes I was.
You wasn't.
I came back as sheriff. Stop.
But it's the truth.
I was sheriff. Stop.
Jesus. Not allowed to say the truth these days. Because people get mad. No reason.
No, it's just you're not thinking straight.
I am thinking straight. I'm thinking straight.
But I had the role as sheriff, so stop.
Jeez. Okay. Just tell him the truth. Truth?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
The role as sheriff.
Oh, God. Jesus. Hi. Bye. Are you avoiding me? Hello?
I hate you.
It's just a game. Literally just a game. Huh? I wonder what the sheriff is. If the sheriff wins, then you'll see. Because it will say sheriff. If the sheriff kills me. Where's the sheriff? Did you leave the game?
Yes.
Why?
So did.
It's just a game.
Okay.
No, goodbye. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Look, I'm gonna show you. So that's the sheriff. It's gonna say sheriff, not sheriff.
But I was the role as sheriff.
See, sheriff.
I
And
was the sheriff.
Yours says hero.
I don't care. I was the sheriff. Stop saying I was hero. I'm sheriff.
They wanna turn back now? Oh no. Somebody just died. Where's the sheriff? So God, if it's just me and this girl left. Yeah, no, goodbye. Bye.
Oh my god, what is wrong with these stupid people? Now my stupid slap is gone.
People just like to troll for fun. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you my new Roblox avatar. I will use for some videos. This one. Let's go play it. Okay, wearing a new summer with the outfit. Oh, it's got little paws on the feet. I didn't notice that. That's so cute. Really, I'm wearing my new lion cat outfit. Actually, I might end it here. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Bye.